Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 313. And if we start with this column, we're just missing a 3. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this bottom row, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. Don't see any help, so 4, 6, 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row now, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 4 and 6. Same as here, so we can just randomly plug in. So if I make this our 4, that makes this our 6, 4, and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.